Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play a classic tune by the Beach Boys, Don't Worry Baby. This is going to be an easy version of the song, and we're not going to use any bar chords. We've got a capo at fret 2. The key of the song is E major, but we're going to use a D chord to get our E major key. Chords will be called by their form names, and we'll be talking about frets relative to the capo. For the intro, we'll play 3 chords: D, G, and we'll play an A9 suspended 4 simply by strumming from the A string, going all the way down with the guitar open like that. Our strumming pattern will be down, down, up, up, down. So we'll start with a D chord, that'll get us through the intro and the verse. Next is our pre-chorus. We'll start with an E minor chord. We'll go to an A chord, an F sharp minor 7 by placing that first finger on the low E string at fret 2 along with our A shape. And then we'll go to a B chord by taking the A chord and raising it by 2 frets and only playing the D, G, and the B string. Okay, now I've got my finger against the high E string so it doesn't sound, so I get this chord. And that is our B. So we'll play it this way. 1, 2, ready, play. And that's our pre-chorus. Next, we'll go to the chorus. For the chorus, we'll play an E major chord, F sharp minor 7, the same way we did it before, and then a B chord. So that'll go. Don't worry, baby. End that with another A knife suspended 4. Then we'll go back to our D chord to get us back to the verses. Now for the rest of the song, we'll repeat what we just played. So that's all you need to know in order to play Don't Worry Baby by the Beach Boys, Capo 2, with my easy version. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. 1, 2, ready, play.